All right, did you see the kitty? Can you get it out? Oh. Here. Here. Oh. You gonna pull the card? There you go. There you go. Look, there it is. Can you pull it out? There you go. Here, I'll take your pasta. Thank you. Oh, is there a kitty?
There's a kitty cat on there.
Oh, she loves it.
Can you look inside?
Look at the kitty. And the butterfly. Did you see the butterfly? What's
The
inside?
butterflies.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, look at those.
You say thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Eating a piece of chicken while she's reading. Oh. Are we reading? Oh, and there's some handwriting. Can you read it? Like, don't be silly, Mom. That's sweet, though. Do you see the kitty bed?
Oh, there's a kitty on the back.
Is there a kitty on the back, too? Wow, look at how many kitties. All right, say bye-bye. Mwah. You blow a kiss? All right, bye-bye. Thank you. Sweetheart. Okay. She's playing with her pasta. But that was very sweet. Thank you. Mwah.